Alright, let's talk about a news event for Google that happened a few days ago on December 7th, 2023. The news was that the Gemini, Google has a Gemini AI model that is comparable or maybe even a little bit better than OpenAI. So because of this news, the Google went up quite a bit. I don't know exactly when the news came out, but yeah. So let's take a look at Google's price action that day. So first of all, let's take a look at the first hour, well, first 30 minutes. The first 5 minutes goes all the way up. It's already in the oversold category with stochastics, and then it kind of tapers down, and for the next hour or so it's just cruising, and then we see it's hanging around the VWAP with all the averages kind of hanging around the same place. Then we see a small dip below VWAP, and then the stochastic is in the oversold category, and the stop price hits the 200 moving average. This is a minute chart, and then it goes back up, and we see the MACD is in the neutral area after drifting all the way down, and then it shoots back up a little bit and then drips down again. However, this drip is much more subtle, and then it keeps going up. In terms of volume, we do see a large selling at this point, and as it tapers down, the volume drops. However, it's still higher volume than the rest of the time. I think the 5 minute is a little bit easier to see. Where is the 5 minute? Oh, okay, here. Yeah, so 5 minutes, we see a large red candle with an inside bar with almost the same amount of trading volume. Another thing you can see is the MACD is much lower here. Even though this drop in price is lower, the drop in MACD is a smaller dip, and then it goes back up, and then we'll have a small run. The other thing we can look at is the intraday for QQQ, which is represents the market. Let's see, on that day we also have we had two drops. One drop here, that was what time it was, around 7 o'clock or 6:45. That's the drop here. And then after the big drop, QQQ kind of went sideways a little bit, but still kind of going up a little bit along this moving average, and then it went back up, and then here we see the other drop, but we see a lot of what are these called? Oh, I forgot the names. Hammers with good trading volume. It was able to support the form a support here. So let's see, and also inside bar, and that goes up. So this was 820, which correlates to here. Also inside bar support. So that was the intraday If we had, I probably would enter here, and that was a 1%, 1.5% rise. That's pretty good. We see a huge drop off of volume as it goes up here. So after that, let's see, after that, the stock just went down. I think also mainly due to it wasn't as good, or there was some there's some faking of the model, so drops down, goes back up here, drops down again, levels off, drop down some more, levels off. Alright.